Guys, what if I told you that you could build a professional website in under 1 minute without writing a single line of code? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're diving into Onepage. It is a next-generation website builder designed for speed, simplicity, and results. Unlike traditional platforms, it helps creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses build sleek, fully functional websites in just minutes. No coding, no complexity. Whether you're launching a new idea or growing your brand, this tool can help you move faster. All in all, it might just change the way you build websites for good. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump right in. Today we are diving into Onepage. It's a next-generation AI website builder. And today I'm going to show you how to create a professional website in under 1 minute, without writing a single line of code. Instead of spending hours on complicated tools or hiring expensive developers, you just describe the website you want. The smart tool takes care of the rest. Let's see how it works in practice. I'm opening the admin console and clicking Create Project. The system gives you two options: use a ready-made starter kit or create a unique website from scratch with artificial intelligence. I'll choose the second option, creating with AI, because it's the fastest and easiest way to get professional results. Here we need to enter the project name. The system suggested this domain. I like it, so I click Create Project. Now it asks what exactly I want to generate, without writing a single line of code. I'll type my request in plain language. Here's the prompt I'm using. Those are my preferences. And as you can see, the intelligent assistant immediately starts working. Like any site, it will include a header, a hero section, and a number of other segments. If there's something you don't need, you can remove it or add your own section instead. I am happy with this layout, so I click Generate. And my friends, in just a few seconds, our website starts to appear. Sections are being generated, images are appearing, and so are the timelines. Everything looks just like we described. It's impressive how clearly the AI understands our vision. The page has been created. It took only a few minutes. We can now see all the sections we asked for, and they look really good. I click Approve, and we can already publish our website. Or we can review it section by section and replace any element we want. For example, I could regenerate the first hero section and click Layout Alternative so that it suggests different options. We can see how it's generating several variations. For instance, I could apply this hero section or that one. I don't like that the image is shifted left, so I'll keep the version with the daily special and happy hour. Folks, we can also replace the logo with the name of our pub. We are fully in control of everything we want to adjust. There's also an AI assistant that can help edit a section or a page, create new ones, build multi-step forms, or even add new pages. For example, our pub regularly hosts live music nights, so let's add a special section to announce these events. I'll paste in my prompt, Live Music Event section. We can choose a style for it. In my case, it's modern, and there are also options for section types. Now it's generating our section. We can approve it and then move it wherever we want. And there you go. We have an upcoming live music events section with a schedule. I can also create a section for craft beers with photos, descriptions, and tasting notes. The smart tool pays attention to every detail and makes sure the design matches the rest of the site. Everything looks consistent, which is great. I like this section, and I'd like to move it somewhere among the products, between the food and the beer. We can also create whole new pages, build multi-step forms, and do all of that thanks to Onepage. And if I want to create a multi-step form, I can write a prompt like Private Events Booking section with a booking form. And as we can see, it generates an entire section where users can plan and book events. I'll place this section right before the live music events one. Now let's publish our site and see how it looks on mobile and desktop. Everything is properly arranged and fully functional. As you can see, guys, it looks great and it's completely responsive on mobile. Every section, every block works perfectly. So now let's publish our website. I click Publish. We can connect a custom domain or use the one provided by the system. To connect a custom domain, I just need to link it through a simple form. It only takes a few minutes. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! For example, I can connect my own domain. To do that, I need to add a CNAME with a subdomain in the domain control panel. It takes literally a few minutes. This site is now connected to our domain. It's also available at the address suggested by the system. Here we can view it in full and check that everything works. We can even fill in the form and book a date for an event, for example, an evening party. The reservation form works perfectly. Every section, everything that was generated, functions just as expected. You can generate or edit any information yourself. Folks, this is now a complete website, fully ready to use. Here's the events section, where you can make reservations. You have just witnessed how quickly this tool generated the page, and it's got all the details we need. In no time, we've built a professional multi-page website with unique content without writing a single line of code. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up. At the end of the day, OnePage is all about freedom. From coding, from complicated setups, and from wasting time. It's fast, smart, and built for people who want to create, not just configure. In just a few minutes, we built a complete multi-page website that looks professional, works perfectly, and is ready to go live. So, what do you think? Would you trust AI to build your next website? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.